हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज के इस लेक्चर में किसी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के मैग्नीट्यूड को एक सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट से दूसरे सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना सीखेंगे। यह टॉपिक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्यूशन में एक बेसिक टूल की तरह यूज़ होता है। पिछले लेक्चर्स में हम यह डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि डायमेंशन फार्मूला का यूज़ करके हम किसी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की यूनिट को कैसे लिख सकते हैं। अब अगर किसी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का डायमेंशन फार्मूला m पावर a, l पावर b, t पावर c है, तब पहले सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट में फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की यूनिट u1 इक्वल टू m1 पावर a, l1 पावर b, t1 पावर c। Here m1, l1 and t1 are the units of mass, length and time in first system of unit। इसी प्रकार सेकंड सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट में फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की यूनिट u2 इक्वल टू m2 पावर a, l2 पावर b, t2 पावर c। यहाँ m2, l2, t2 मास, लेंथ और टाइम के सेकंड सिस्टम में यूनिट हैं। अब जैसा कि हम पिछले लेक्चर में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि n1 u1 इक्वल टू n2 u2, this gives n2 इक्वल टू u1 अपान u2 इंटू n1। u1 और u2 की वैल्यूज़ को रखकर सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद हमें प्राप्त होता है n2 इक्वल टू m1 अपान m2 होल पावर a, l1 अपान l2 होल पावर b, t1 अपान t2 होल पावर c इंटू n1। This formula can be used to convert the magnitude of a mechanical physical quantities from one system of unit to another system of unit। Let's we take the first example, conversion of 1 Newton into CGS system of unit। Newton is the unit of force in MKS system of unit। In this system of unit, kilogram, meter and second are used as the unit of mass, length and time। Therefore, we can say that m1 equal to kilogram, l1 equal to meter and t1 equal to second। Second system of unit is CGS, therefore we can say that m2 equal to gram, l2 equal to centimeter and t2 equal to second। Dimension of mass, length and time are 1, 1 minus 2 respectively। Therefore, here small a equal to 1, small b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2, and it is also given n1 equal to 1। Now we can find m1 upon m2 equal to 1 kilogram upon gram, since we know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram। Therefore, we get m1 upon m2 equal to 10 to power 3, l1 upon l2 equal to 1 meter upon 1 centimeter, since 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter। Therefore, we get l1 upon l2 equal to 10 to power 2। T1 upon T2 equal to 1 second upon 1 second. It gives T1 upon T2 equal to 1. Finally, we use the formula N2 equal to M1 upon M2 whole power A, L1 upon L2 whole power B, T1 upon T2 whole power C into N1. Putting the values, we get N2 equal to 10 to power 5. Therefore, the numerical value of 1 Newton in CGS system of unit is 10 to power 5. In CGS system of unit, the unit of force is dyne. Therefore, we can say that 1 Newton equal to 10 to power 5 dyne. आइए सेकंड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। कन्वर्जन ऑफ 1 जूल इनटू अर्ग। जूल एंड अर्ग आर द यूनिट्स ऑफ एनर्जी और वर्क in MKS system and CGS system respectively. The dimension of mass, length and time in work are 1, 2 and -2 respectively. Therefore, A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to -2. First system of unit is MKS. Therefore, M1 equal to kilogram, L1 equal to meter and T1 equal to second. Second system of unit is CGS. Therefore, M2 equal to gram, L2 equal to centimeter and T2 equal to second, and also given N1 equal to 1. On solving, we get M1 upon M2 equal to 10 to power 3, L1 upon L2 equal to 10 to power 2 and T1 upon T2 equal to 1. Finally, using the formula N2 equal to M1 upon M2 whole power A, L1 upon L2 whole power B, T1 upon T2 whole power C into N1, we get N2 equal to 10 to power 7. Therefore, the numerical value of 1 joule in CGS system is 10 to power 7. We can say that 1 joule equal to 10 to power 7 erg. Finally, we take the best example for the conversion of unit from one system to another. This example is taken from the exercise of NCERT. Convert 1 calorie into a new system of unit in which units of mass, length and time are alpha kilogram, beta meter and gamma second respectively. Given that 1 calorie equal to 4.2 kilogram meter square per second square. Here physical quantity is energy. Therefore, the dimension of mass, length and time will be A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and T equal to -2. The magnitude of energy in first system of unit is 4.2 kilogram meter square per second square. Therefore, N1 equal to 4.2, M1 equal to kilogram, L1 equal to meter, T1 equal to second. In new system of unit, mass, length and time are measured in alpha kilogram, beta meter and gamma second. Therefore, M2 equal to alpha kg, L2 equal to beta meter and T2 equal to gamma second. Now we find M1 upon M2, L1 upon L2 and T1 upon T2. M1 upon M2 equal to 1 kilogram upon alpha kilogram. It gives m1 upon m2 equal to alpha power minus 1. L1 upon L2 equal to 1 meter upon beta meter. It gives L1 upon L2 equal to beta power minus 1. T1 upon T2 equal to 1 second upon gamma second. It gives T1 upon T2 equal to gamma power minus 1. Finally, we use the formula n2 equal to m1 upon m2 whole power a, L1 upon L2 whole power b, T1 upon T2 whole power c into n1. Putting all values, we get n2 equal to 4.2 alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 2 into gamma power 2. Therefore, the numerical value in new system of unit is 4.2 alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 2 gamma power 2.